Why is screen time so hard to stop?
Screens pull you in because they mix bright colors, quick movements, and endless new surprises. Your brain loves this pattern and starts expecting those quick hits of excitement again and again. The more you watch, the easier it becomes for the brain to choose the screen instead of real-world activities. It is not about weakness, it is about how your brain learns patterns really fast.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, screens activate the reward pathway, including the ventral tegmental area and the nucleus accumbens, which release dopamine. They also overwhelm the prefrontal cortex, which is the part that manages planning and self-control. In kid-friendly language, screens turn on the fun part of your brain and turn down the boss part of your brain. So even when you want to stop, your brain keeps asking for one more minute.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, it does, because dopamine trains the brain through repetition. Neurons fire together when you repeat the same behavior, like checking screens over and over. That builds a habit loop inside circuits of the frontal lobe and limbic system. Small resets break the loop and create new, healthier pathways because the brain is always learning. Even tiny steps build real brain strength.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, focusing becomes harder because your brain expects fast entertainment instead of slow thinking. Emotions get jumpy and irritated when the screen stops because the brain wants more dopamine. Friendships suffer because conversations feel boring compared to bright screens. Family time shrinks when everyone sits in separate corners looking at devices. Your habits change because real life starts to feel slower than your screen.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because tiny choices repeat and grow. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. Every tiny roll makes it bigger until it becomes huge. Screen time habits work the same way. The more you use them, the stronger they get. But if you roll the snowball in a new direction even a little bit, the whole path changes. Your identity grows from the small choices you make every day.
So, how do I start?
Start with one thought, which is noticing the moment you want to look at a screen. Then choose one feeling, such as calm curiosity instead of autopilot scrolling. Then practice one behavior, like pausing for 30 seconds before picking up your device. That 30-second pause weakens the habit loop and teaches your brain a new pattern.
What should we do today?
Try the 2-room challenge, where you keep the device in a different room for 10 minutes while you do something real. Draw, stretch, drink water, or clean one small thing. Comment the word reset if this helped your brain feel lighter. And subscribe if these episodes make you feel wiser, stronger, and more in control. You have a powerful brain that learns fast and grows stronger with every healthy choice you make. Small steps shape big futures, and you never need to be perfect to get better. You only need awareness and one tiny reset at a time. You are becoming the kind of person who leads their brain instead of being led by it.
See you in the next episode.